guys, how's it going? So I'm back today with another start to finish video. So this unit was provided by MyFirstWig.com, guys. So it's a really short Pixie hairstyle lace front unit. So this one has 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable strap. It does come with about 3.5 inches of parting space, which is perfect. So basically what I'm going to show you guys in this video is how I glue this unit down and customize the hairline to make it look natural. Now I do have to put a little bit of work into this unit so that I can make it look as natural as possible in the hairline area, but I do like this unit, guys. It fits very well on my head. I'm usually a medium cap size, so this unit worked very, very well. So for this part, guys, I'm going to actually use my Aussie Instant Freeze hairspray to actually use as kind of like a freezing block. I ran out of the Got To Be glue one, so I think that the Aussie one is pretty good. It's an extra hold, and I just put this on so that the unit can stay down a little bit better. So at this part, I'm just adjusting the unit on my head. It fits very good, guys, ear to ear. Now you can see right now straight up there's like no hairline magic, so I'm definitely going to have to open this unit up to make it look as natural as possible. But this is going to be light work, simple work, because I'm not new to this, I'm true to this. So stay tuned and keep on watching. So basically what I'm doing in this part, guys, is really tweezing the hairline. Now when I first got it, it wasn't tweezed enough, so I really have to go in and kind of make some space into this unit. So I don't want to do too much in the front because I don't want it to make bald spots, so I kind of go from the front to the back and kind of dig in the middle a little bit. Sometimes when the area of the hair is kind of bulky at the top, I like to go in and thin it out a little bit, so that's all I'm doing in this section. I'm not a professional at this, I just kind of go and see where I'm at, and I keep taking looks just to make sure that I'm not balding the perimeter, just because you don't want to have bald spots right in the front. So you definitely know it's not a start to finish until I start styling the unit. So this unit, I'm just running my straightener through it just to give it a few curls. Nothing crazy, guys. I just want to kind of give myself a little bit of a bump so that it's styled properly. So then what I'm going to do is actually go into the bang area and kind of do like a soft curl and then straighten at the end. I definitely like that kind of like frisky, kind of like free will type of hairstyle where it's not all the way perfect. So that's just basically what I'm going to do with this unit. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like so you can see what the potential is of the back as well. because I'm just tailoring the baby hairs. I'm going to just fix them up so that it doesn't look too exaggerated and just looks really natural and light. Now the baby hairs and the tweezing job that I did are actually really good. I didn't take too much hair off, which is perfect. So I'm just going to go in and fix them up. I'm actually going to use my curling iron just to press the surface, so therefore it's kind of like almost blended into my skin. I want it to look as realistic as possible and have kind of like that soft baby doll hair type of effect. So this is the finished look of this unit. So this is the hairstyle final review. So basically this video is kind of like a start to finish video. So I wanted to show you guys how I kind of brought the hairline to life and kind of brought the whole styling to life. So this is what I basically got with this unit, guys, and I love it. So I have reviewed a unit from MyFirstWigs before that's similar to this one. The one that I reviewed before was a little bit shorter in the bang area, and it didn't have this kind of like angle. So I definitely think that this one is definitely one that I absolutely love. The other one was definitely a little bit shorter. This is kind of the hairstyle that I have like naturally. My sides are a little bit shorter than this, but I always have my bang like this, and I just absolutely love it on my natural hair. So basically what I wanted to do is emphasize how I tweezed it. In the beginning, the hairline there was like really no tweezing done to this unit, so you really have to put your focus on this one. MyFirstWigs does specialize to help you out with first wig buyers, first wig wearers. So I hope this video is informative for those who've never worn wigs before and want to kind of achieve something like this. Now this wig also is good for someone who wears like a lot of long units, a lot of straight units, a lot of curly units and stuff like that, and have never been able or never was kind of like afraid to dip into short hair. This unit, it's really nice. Like you guys, I know you guys saw my reaction when I was doing the beginning of the video. I was just kind of like, wow, this is actually like a really nice wig. Now, as far as the wig goes, guys, I didn't do anything as far as cutting, so I left everything virtually the way it was besides tweezing it and cutting the baby hairs. So I just went in and curled this section right here, and then I even went in the back and just pulled a few curls with my straightener just to kind of make it more of a structured or curled style unit. I don't really feel like I need to cut this. I kind of felt like the cut was perfect. If you want to, you can go in with like a little bit of a razor and kind of dim these section here because it is a little bit long, but I do like it just because it kind of looks real. As far as the bang goes, the bang is pretty good. It's not really like a super duper full bang, and I can show you guys the hairline. Look at the hairline in the front right here. Even when I throw my hands back and throw it back, it yo, it just looks super duper like come on guys, like look at, like, where are you gonna find a wig at that's gonna do all this type of stuff? Like, only over here. So MyFirstWigs definitely has their game perfectly presented. They know how to provide units for people who want to try something different and who want to kind of like step out the box. I definitely think for a lace front wig, this is definitely a one. As far as the parting space goes, this actually came parted like this, and it's a curved part. And look at how far the curved part goes, guys. It goes all the way back here. So it's about like 4.5 to 5 inches of parting space, which is excellent. And like I said, for units like this, you get the parting space more so in the crown area, which is kind of like right here, like this whole entire oval, which is perfectly fine because most of the hairstyles you're going to do with this is just basically like this. You definitely can go ahead and do kind of like those little cute little hairstyles when you do like the braids or whatever and the stuff like that. But I'm probably just gonna keep mine the way it is, like this. I love this hairstyle. I just kind of ran my curling iron through it just to give it like a little bit of a bump and a little bit of like a straight end. I love that kind of fun look. I don't know, I'm just obsessed with that. So yeah. So I definitely think this is a unit, guys, that I would highly recommend if you want to try something different for the summertime. You're not going to have to worry about hair all on your back, being all hot and sweaty. And if you want that kind of sexy, classy, kind of like edge a little bit, this definitely has kind of like an edgy, sexy look to it. So I definitely am feeling it. So guys, I will leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from MyFirstWigs.com. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye!